maybe over 100 plus projects at the same time. This one is for, if you know, you know, NFL player, Giants, this idiot. So we have a big problem, but unfortunately, look at the results. This is just, everything is an absolute nightmare. This whole pile of junk. It may look like nothing, but it's gonna be something.
YouTube, welcome to the #1 shop in the country.
Wait, Sean, how many cars do you got working on right now?
Ooh, maybe over 100 plus projects at the same time. So I don't know what shop can manage and run 100 plus projects simultaneously. And you know, we make sure we give you guys the best quality, best customer service, and obviously the jobs and the work speak for themselves. We have another customer right now on the line, so we're gonna get back to him in a few minutes.
What you got over here, Sean?
We have a McLaren 750S. This one's going down in a custom MSO Pacific Stream Blue color, I believe it's called. So stay tuned for this one, guys.
Ooh, and what you doing to it?
So we're doing a full wrap, full custom design. We have a stage 2 tune, downpipes, exhaust, the whole work. A whole bunch of different stuff.
So another place tells you that they could do a PPF job for your car for $1,000. This is what you're getting. Don't be that fool and don't fall for the scam. Know that at the end of the day, you get what you pay for. You want quality, come to the best.
So this one, we have a BMW X5. This one we did a full Smurf blue PPF. We did a Lart Design carbon fiber hood. As you can see, Lart Design emblem, so thank you, Lart Design. This one has a full exhaust, downpipes, upgraded turbo, intake. This thing is pushing close to 1,000 wheels, so this thing's got some serious power. Next, we have a Range Rover autobiography. This one is for, if you know, you know, NFL player, Giants. Can't really say who the player is. We're doing a full gloss black PPF, gloss black accents, a whole bunch of different stuff. So this one's gonna be a nice project. Dropping it off next week at the MetLife Stadium. So this one's our shop Porsche 911 GTS. We had it wrapped previously in the two-tone satin black with the satin red chrome with the Porsche livery down the middle. We took it off. We're gonna do something different, and we have a track event coming the beginning of September, so that'll be updated and announced. So stay tuned for that. So on this one, I don't know who thought it was a good idea to put butterfly doors on a Huracán, but as you can see, the quality of these doors is horrendous. Let's come around the back and let's show them the doors. So we have a big problem. Unfortunately, when the customer closes the doors, it's hitting on the frame of the door. So door closes. Well, okay, I mean, it actually closed pretty well on its own, but voluntarily it's hitting, it's not closing. And you also have the whole entire door panel which is getting beat up against with the molding of the window. So we're gonna be replacing this thing, fixing it, and hopefully we'll be able to close this thing the proper way and not close it like it's a 95 Honda Civic. This is what happens when you go to other shops and they don't know what they're doing and they Mickey Mouse around with your car. So.
All right, what about this R8?
This is the RS7.
Oh.
Come on, man, you gotta know your cars, bro. Come on, bro. All right. This is the RS7. This is our shop RS7 stage 2 tune, downpipes wrapped in a chrome silver. I actually have the keys in my hand. If you want to hear it up, let's come listen to the car. Ready to hear this thing? This thing sounds actually pretty bananas. Sometimes it's pretty obnoxious when I drive it. So let's just let the camera do the talking.
What the hell? What is this, Sean?
Okay, yes, we do work on all makes and all models, but this is not a car we're working on. This is a rental for a client who got into an accident. Enterprise dropped it off, with them coming to pick it up pretty soon. I'm not a fan of Buick, but yes, we do work on all makes and models. If you are involved in an accident, we can fix your car and bring it back to pre-loss condition.
So if you're a company or corporation, they can bring your cars here?
100%. We do fleet, we do vehicles, we do commercial, we do Alibaba's car, we do the Prince of Qatar's car, anybody's car we do. This is Lamborghini Urus. First thing, this is a 2019. As you guys know, the 2019 comes with the previous gen key, which looks kind of ugly and cheap. So we upgraded it. We have the newer model key. So this one comes on the 23s and up. Let's show them the inside. This one, we have stars in the ceiling with the sunroof. Yes, we made a custom panel for the roof that way you have stars in your sunroof with the custom logo. We also have ambient lights in the sunroof, stars in the ceiling, and ambient lighting throughout the vehicle. We have also starlights in the door panels. And no, this is not a striker. This G63 is fully gutted because we're doing what we do best, our full custom interiors. Well, to be honest with you, we do everything pretty much the best, but this is one of the many things that we do. So this whole thing is completely taken out. So it looks like a regular box. So we're gonna be doing a full custom dash, Alcantara headliner, stars in the ceiling, custom seats. This one's going in Hermès orange, so stay tuned.
Sure.
So yes, we also do work with a little bit of older model vehicles. This one is a 650 BMW. This one we're doing what we did ambient lighting, chrome delete, upgraded digital cluster, upgraded screen, a whole bunch of different upgrades on this one. So just because the car is a little older doesn't mean we don't work on it. Still working on all these makes and models. This is a 2002 G550. We're converting to a G63. So I already know we already have the body, we already have the frame, chassis, that's all completed. So now we're waiting on some parts for the interior. So when this is done, you will not even be able to tell. This is a 2002. All right, so we have a Mansory Bentley that we did a few years ago. My good friend, good client, decided to get it wrapped somewhere else because we were too busy and he didn't want to wait. But unfortunately, look at the results. This is just one of the many fuck ups that they did. That's what happens is when you don't want to wait for the best, that's what happens. Before we get to the fuck ups, we're going to show you what we're doing. We're doing a full custom interior on this one. So yes, this one is also fully gutted. This one is getting done in a Tiffany blue. We have a few panels that are already done. We put them inside the car. So let's go to the front and let's show you the real fuck ups. And this is why you don't go to other shops, because they took off the body kit, didn't put it on the right way. Look at all that. Look at this wrap lifting. Look at the corners peeling. Everything is an absolute nightmare. Look at all these seams. This is not even put on the right way. They didn't even cut the tow hitch on. This is all pieced. Like, I mean, I think a 5-year-old could have done a better job. The fuck is this? Especially on a Mansory Bentley. Come on, bro. This one is a close friend of ours. Unfortunately, this idiot, this dumbass, was driving while it was flooding, and he thought he was driving a fucking Ram TRX or some sort of monster truck, and just decided to just drive through the water. And now his car is here, and it's flooded, and it's full of dirt and dirt water, and now his car is done up. So, Geico, we gotta see you soon.
So guys, on this Wrangler we have over here, this thing was a nightmare. So this thing came in for a full wrap, full color change, whatever you want to call it. This thing was white before. We're wrapping it in a Nardo gray. So this thing had a ton of rust. So we took literally everything apart. We took off the side racks, the light bars, that was all rusted. We took off the doors, the panels, the hood, the fenders, the flares, everything was rusted. And the more we would sand it down, the more rust we would find. So it was a nightmare. So of course, nothing that we can't handle. So obviously now it's starting to look like an actual car. We powder coated the wheels, red calipers, fixed all the rust, wrapping the whole thing in Nardo gray. So this thing is gonna look chef's kiss when it's all done. So this is a Mercedes GLE 53. This thing was involved in a fender bender. So some idiot didn't stop at the red light, drove right into her. We fixed it, repaired it, rewrapped it, new bumper, new grille, new headlight, new brackets, everything done through the insurance. No cost to our client. Rental also covered. We also can cover we can repair your vehicle, get it fixed, all under your insurance, so contact us. Vehicle's back to pre-loss condition, looking absolutely brand new. And we did a few extra goodies for the customer and zero out-of-pocket cost. All right, guys, so the Urus is all said and done. Again, we're gonna do a walkthrough over what we did. We did all the carbon fiber accents, we did the lime green calipers, stars in the ceiling, ambient lighting across the sunroof. We also did a partition in the sunroof, which gives you stars in the ceiling. Normally, these do come with that curtain, so obviously you can't really put stars in it, otherwise it breaks. We also did stars in the door panels, YouTube, Netflix, stage 1 tune, exhaust, tracker, kill switch, the list goes on. So let's show you. Muscle car lovers, Camaro ZL1, the white was not cutting it. It looked like a basic car. We're wrapping this thing in a super gloss, midnight purple, with the purple to black color shift, ceramic coating, gloss black wheels. We have the color match calipers and a few other things. Stay tuned.
How many cars have I gone over so far? I've already gone over like what, 20 cars? And I mean, I still have another 40 more to go. So I could keep going, but you guys know, #1 in the country for a reason. Stay tuned.